Deep inside the Sahara Desert, scientists discovered something impossible. A giant, mysterious structure, visible even from space, hidden in the middle of Africa, far away from any ocean. But what shocked researchers was not its size, it was its shape. Because some believe this massive structure perfectly matches the ancient description of the lost city of Atlantis. Deep inside Mauritania, in Western Africa, lies one of the strangest formations on Earth, known today as the Richat Structure. From the ground, it looks ordinary. Endless rock formations, ancient stone ridges, nothing unusual. But from high above, its true shape becomes visible. Perfect concentric circles, massive rings stretching nearly 40 kilometers wide. It looks almost artificial, as if something enormous was built here long ago. And this strange structure would soon trigger one of history's biggest mysteries. More than 2,300 years ago, the Greek philosopher Plato wrote about Atlantis. He described a civilization unlike anything known in the ancient world, a society with enormous wealth, advanced engineering, massive temples, powerful armies, and technology far beyond neighboring civilizations. But according to Plato, something catastrophic happened. In a single day and night, the entire civilization vanished forever. For centuries, historians believed Atlantis was nothing more than myth, a fictional warning created by Plato. But some researchers believe Plato may have described something real. And this is where things become strange. Plato described Atlantis as a giant circular city, built in multiple concentric rings, circular walls, circular water channels, massive outer defensive structures. When researchers compared his description to the Richat Structure, the similarities were impossible to ignore. The Richat Structure also contains giant circular rings, multiple layers, massive concentric formations, almost identical in overall design. And suddenly, an impossible question appeared. Could Plato have been describing this exact place? But there was one enormous problem. According to Plato, Atlantis disappeared beneath water, swallowed by the sea forever. But the Richat Structure sits in the middle of the Sahara Desert, one of the driest places on Earth. No ocean, no coastline, no sea, which seems to destroy the theory immediately. And for many scientists, this was enough to reject the idea completely. But then researchers discovered something unexpected, something that changed everything. Scientists now know the Sahara Desert was not always desert. Thousands of years ago, this region looked completely different. Green plains stretched endlessly across Africa. Massive lakes covered huge areas. Ancient rivers flowed where sand now exists. Animals lived everywhere. Life flourished. Satellite scans have revealed ancient river systems still buried deep beneath the desert, evidence of a world completely erased by time. And if the environment changed this dramatically, the impossible suddenly becomes possible. Over thousands of years, Earth's climate changed violently. Lakes disappeared, rivers dried out, vegetation vanished, entire ecosystems collapsed. Slowly, the green Sahara transformed into the endless desert we know today. And anything built there would eventually disappear beneath millions of tons of sand, hidden forever. Entire civilizations could vanish without leaving obvious traces behind, as if history itself had erased them completely. And this is where the theories become dangerous. Some researchers believe human civilization may be far older than mainstream science accepts. They believe advanced societies may have existed long before recorded history began. Entire civilizations lost through catastrophe, floods, earthquakes, sudden climate collapse. Perhaps Atlantis was one of them, and perhaps the Richat Structure is one of the last surviving traces of that forgotten world. Mainstream scientists strongly reject the Atlantis theory. According to geology, the Richat Structure formed naturally, created by uplift deep beneath Earth's crust, followed by millions of years of erosion. No confirmed evidence of an ancient city has ever been found there. No temples, no advanced artifacts, no direct proof. According to science, this is simply geology, nothing more. But not everyone is convinced. Right now, the Sahara Desert hides countless secrets, still buried beneath endless sand. Perhaps the Richat Structure is simply a strange natural formation, a giant geological coincidence. Or perhaps human history is far older, far stranger than we have been taught. Because somewhere in Earth's forgotten past, entire civilizations may have risen, advanced beyond imagination, and vanished forever. And if Atlantis truly existed, the greatest discovery in human history may already have been found, hidden in plain sight, waiting in the middle of the Sahara Desert.